Shiny card collector, back with some silver Tempest. So I did do a little bit of research upon the last video of opening, and I have seen that you can get I think it's a VMAX Rayquaza and a VMAX Blaziken from this, which look really nice. And if we can get this pack open. Ooh. What has happened here? That should be a little bit better. But let's see if we can get any of these cards, which would be really nice to get. A nice VMAX Rayquaza. 1, 2, 3, 4. But still chasing that Lugia. So, let's go. Psychic Energy. Lopunny. Quadstone. Regenerative Energy. Krogunk. Solosis. Egem. Eligem. Zubat. Fungus. Baneri. And Milotic. That's pretty. That's a nice card. Says the Baneri. But if you want to see more from Shiny Card Collector, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And I'll catch you all later. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.